For thousands of years, grapes have accompanied humanity through celebration, culture, and discovery.
Tomorrow's vineyards will be shaped not only by nature, but by intelligence. Every vine is now connected to a network capable of understanding its needs before they arise. From orbit, intelligent systems observe the future of viticulture on a planetary scale. Millions of calculations shape the harvest long before the first grape is picked. Beneath every vineyard lies an invisible world of remarkable complexity. Each morning, intelligent machines begin their silent patrol over one of humanity's oldest crops. Advanced imaging technologies reveal patterns of growth hidden beyond human perception. Every vineyard now exists simultaneously in the physical world and within an intelligent digital mirror. Tomorrow's harvest combines centuries of tradition with the precision of modern technology. And with the arrival of a new day, the harvest begins once more.
For centuries, the harvest depended upon human hands. Today, intelligence joins the vineyard. Artificial intelligence can now determine the precise moment when each cluster has reached its peak. Inspired by the sensitivity of the human hand, these machines harvest with remarkable care. Connected by intelligence, these machines form one of the largest coordinated agricultural systems ever created. Within every machine, countless decisions are made each second in pursuit of perfection. Harvesting and transportation have become part of a seamless and uninterrupted process. Sometimes, intelligence understands that the greatest decision is to wait.
Every harvest adapts continuously to the world around it.
Unlike their creators, these machines continue their work long after sunset. For the first time, humanity can observe the world's vineyards harvesting together as one. This is not merely the harvest of a crop, but the beginning of a new chapter in the history of viticulture. Long before the first cluster is harvested, intelligent systems begin observing the vineyard from above. Artificial intelligence can identify subtle changes in vine health days before they become visible to growers. Every vine now speaks through data, revealing patterns hidden within millions of observations. On the ground, robotic scouts confirm what intelligent systems have already predicted from above. The future of viticulture depends upon understanding the invisible world beneath our feet. What once required weeks of analysis can now be accomplished within moments beside the vineyard itself. Together, these machines form a collective intelligence capable of observing every vine simultaneously. Timing has become one of artificial intelligence's greatest strengths. By understanding its environment, tomorrow's vineyard prepares itself for every possibility. Millions of observations are transformed into decisions that shape the harvest ahead.
Together, they form the nervous system of the vineyard of tomorrow. Across the vineyards of the world, a new generation of harvesters awakens with the rising sun. Every cluster is evaluated individually, ensuring that only the finest grapes continue their journey. Inspired by nature, these machines combine remarkable strength with extraordinary delicacy. Connected through intelligence, these machines work together as a single agricultural ecosystem.
Artificial intelligence allows every movement to adapt continuously to the unique character of each vine.
Within every machine, countless decisions are made in pursuit of a perfect harvest. Harvesting and transportation have become part of a seamless and continuous process. Protected by intelligence, tomorrow's vineyards remain resilient in an ever-changing world. For these machines, the passing of day into night changes nothing. For the first time in history, humanity can witness its vineyards harvesting together across an entire planet. These are more than machines. They are the caretakers of tomorrow's harvest. The future of viticulture will not belong to humans or machines alone, but to their partnership.
With every observation, intelligent systems deepen our understanding of one of humanity's oldest crops.
Their touch is delicate enough to preserve even the most fragile fruit. Every robot has a purpose within this expanding ecosystem of automation. Even maintenance has become an invisible part of the harvest itself. Every vineyard now exists simultaneously in the physical and digital worlds. No harvest is complete until every possible resource has been preserved. Technology does not diminish human capability, it expands it. Even as the day comes to an end, intelligent guardians remain on watch. Tomorrow's vineyards may not only produce extraordinary harvests, they may also power themselves.
Together, they represent the next chapter in humanity's timeless relationship with the vine.
The journey of every grape extends far beyond the vine from which it was born. Connected intelligence transforms countless individual actions into a single continuous process. Each cluster begins a carefully protected journey through one of the world's most advanced agricultural networks. Tomorrow's transportation systems will be every bit as intelligent as the vineyards they serve. Artificial intelligence ensures that every shipment arrive with extraordinary speed and precision. Even the most isolated vineyards are now connected to the global supply chain. At every stage of the journey, automation preserves both freshness and efficiency. Every shipment is guided by a constantly evolving understanding of the world. Modern agriculture no longer ends at the edge of the vineyard. It extends across entire continents. The harvest of one nation may soon become part of another nation's table. In an interconnected world, every harvest becomes part of a story shared by all humanity. Before reaching tables and wineries around the world, every grape must first prove its quality.
Modern vision systems can inspect food with extraordinary speed and accuracy.
Every grape is evaluated according to standards refined through centuries of viticulture. In less than a second, artificial intelligence makes decisions once entrusted to entire generations of growers. Quality is no longer measured in samples, but across the entire global harvest in real time.
Within moments, machines reveal the hidden characteristics of every harvest.
When anomalies appear, intelligent systems respond immediately and without hesitation.
Every movement is mirrored in a digital world designed to optimize the physical one.
Even preservation has become an intelligent process, guided by data and automation.
In the future, trust in our food will depend as much upon transparency as it does upon quality.
Every grape now carries with it a complete record of its journey from vine to destination.
After passing inspection, the harvest enters a world designed to preserve perfection.
Every movement within the warehouse is orchestrated by artificial intelligence.
Intelligent preservation ensures that quality survives long after the harvest is complete.
Tomorrow's warehouses will not merely store food, they will understand it.
Before continuing their journey, each grape is carefully prepared for the world beyond the vineyard. Every package is inspected before it begins its journey across the globe.
Each shipment is already connected to a global network of distribution.
Sustainability has become an engineering principle rather than an aspiration. While humanity sleeps, intelligent systems continue their work without interruption.
The final stage of preparation is completed with extraordinary speed and precision.
From a single vine to millions of tables, the journey of the grape continues.
Every harvest begins a journey that reaches far beyond the vineyard where it first ripened.
Modern transportation has transformed local harvests into global resources.
At the meeting point of land and sea, intelligent infrastructure connects continents.
Artificial intelligence now guides the movement of food through some of Earth's most challenging environments.
For the first time in history, humanity can observe its food supply as a living planetary system.
Every shipment is guided by an evolving understanding of human needs.
The final stage of the journey may be the one most familiar to us all.
Across every culture and continent, grapes continue to shape traditions, flavors, and celebrations.
Resilience has become one of the defining characteristics of tomorrow's food supply.
The movement never stops, because neither does humanity's need for nourishment and celebration.
What began as a cluster hanging quietly beneath a vine has become part of a story shared by the entire world.
As humanity looks toward the future, the story of the grape is only beginning.
Tomorrow's cities may one day cultivate much of their food within their own boundaries.
Artificial intelligence is redefining where life can flourish.
The technologies developed on Earth may one day accompany humanity to entirely new worlds.
Measured not by nations, but by civilizations.
One intelligence, connected across worlds, ensures that no community is left without nourishment. Technology and nature need not compete. They can evolve together. The true measure of innovation is found not in machines, but in the lives they improve.
The future belongs to those who inherit both the wisdom of the earth and the power of intelligence.
From the first vines tended by our ancestors to harvests among the stars, our story has always been one of adaptation and discovery.
The movement never stops, because neither does humanity's need for nourishment and celebration.